How to update Messages app on Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can update Messages app on your Realme phone. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, navigate to your Messages application in your device. All you have to do is tap and hold on it. Once you do that, tap on App Info. Now, under App Info, scroll down to the end and there tap on App Details. Now, once you get into App Details, you will have an option or button to update if your application is not updated. So, all you have to do is tap on the Update button. So there you can see the application is now updated. When it is updated, you can simply open up the application and use it. So that's the way to update Messages app on your Realme device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.